In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer money to Fairmoney account. So all you just need to do is just open your Fairmoney account. Then it's going to show just like this. You can see your account balance. You can see the total balance you have, account balance, and account details. So once you click on account details, you'll be able to see your account number right there. So on this page right here, you can see Fairmoney bank account number, your account owner, and you can see the bank name. Then you see your bank account is at level 3, so we literally don't need that. So you're gonna copy your account number, then go to which bank you want to send money from to your Fairmoney account. So let's say I want to send money from my Opay account, for example. So I'm gonna open my Opay account right there. Then I'm gonna verify this account. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is just click on to bank. So once I click onto bank, I'm gonna provide that account number right here. Then you're gonna select I think it's supposed to load the bank, but then it doesn't load. So let's try to find the bank directly from the Opay app. So you can see Fairmoney mobile microfinance bank. So you can see it's load my name. Then I'm gonna click on next. Then I'm gonna provide how much I want to send to my Fairmoney account. So let's say I want to send 1,000 naira. Then click on continue. Then click on continue on this page. Then I'm gonna verify that. So pay, then verify through my fingerprint. So once I'm done with that, the money will be credited to my Fairmoney account. So I'm supposed to receive a notification directly from this page, but if not, I'm gonna open my Fairmoney account directly and see if the money is inside my Fairmoney account. So I'm gonna reload this page and see if the money is dropped. So the money is yet to drop inside my Fairmoney account, but I'm pretty sure that they're gonna remit the money to my Fairmoney account. So that is how you can send money to your own Fairmoney account. I don't know why it's taking a long time to be deposit, but then this is the right way to send money to your Fairmoney account.